Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I am back here after a long time because I have exams and some health problem. So in today's video I am going to unbox new tripod. From tomorrow onwards I will upload daily regular videos. So here comes the box of that tripod. The quality of the packaging is from Flipkart, as you can see. It's fine. There are no any damages, as you can see. So let us unbox it. As you can see, let me try to unbox it without net. So let me try to peel off it. So guys, here is the cover. So guys, as you can see, here's the box. Inside this one more box is there. I will open it. Let me show you this box. This is from the seller Rangoli, as you can see. So let me open it from this side. As you can see, here comes the box. Okay, as you can see guys, tripod 3310. So let me take this box out. Okay, so let me throw it off. So guys, as you can see, here is the box. Here, as you can see, its specifications are right in here, as you can see. So first of all, talk about this. As you can see, it can be varied up to 1020 mm, that is above 1 meter, and you can see its minimum range is 350 mm. Here you can see the weight is given 420 grams, made in China, as you can see right in here. And here are some things written like 3-way head, build-in level, 4 seconds, aluminium legs, quick lever lock. As you can see, I will tell you all about later. Here, as you can see, 3-way pan head, 4 selection leg, quick lever lock, rubber leg strip. So after unboxing, we will know all about this. Let me open it from here. So here comes the bag guys, as you can see, and nothing is inside this. And here is the connector. Let me try to show you. Quality is good according to price range. I will tell you price later. As you can see, from here you can connect it to that. So here is the box, I mean a carry bag. As you can see, the color is black and tripod color is also black. As you can see, the quality of tripod is good according to price range. And here you can see here. So here is an angle indicator guys, as you can see, which indicates the angle level, it is straight or not. So as you can see, and here is the handle, as you can see, and here are the legs. So let me open it. Okay, so let me try to open it. Here, as you can see guys, by removing this you can lock it. Okay, let me open it. As you can see guys, so let me open this last one. So guys, as you can see, here is the rubber strip which protects from going here and there, like it acts like grip, as you can see. And here is our tripod guys, as you can see. So I will show you some samples of this tripod. Here are there somewhere on screen, you can see, and you can open or extend it from here, as you can see. You can also tighten it by tightening this screw, as you can see. So all over, the tripod is good at this price range guys. You can go for it. If you are a small YouTuber, try to make a YouTube channel, then it is good for you. So I will show you some samples guys. So here is the tripod guys. As you can see, you can enlarge this by pulling it up, and you can tighten it. Here is screw is given for tightening this, and it is stable. You can also use for camera, but it's not suitable for heavier weights. So it is made for small things like mobiles, etc. And you can change its position by removing this screw. So let me show it. You can remove it. So here is the handle. By using this, you can change its angle to 360 degrees, as you can see. And here is an angle indicator which tells us about position. This bubble moves. If it is straight, then it will be at here, as you can see. And here is the holder guys, which is good, as you can see. So let me hold my mobile, Mi A1. Okay, as you can see. So by this method you can use your mobile phones guys. You can move like this or this, it depends upon you. And you can make it enlarge also by pulling it up, and you can tighten it also. Here is screw given, as you can see. So that's it for today's videos guys. If you like our videos, then like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment below.